Hello, today we will guide you through how to generate QR code in KoboToolbox. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your web browser and make sure you are on the main projects page. This is where you can view all of the forms and projects available in your account. If you have several projects listed, take a moment to locate the one you want to work with before moving on. Once you are on the KoboToolbox home or project screen, click on Sample Project. This will open that specific project so you can access its settings and deployment options. If your screen looks slightly different, that is normal depending on your account layout, but the goal here is simply to enter the project you want to generate a QR code for. After the project opens, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Deployed. This section is important because it contains the live form details, including the link that can be shared with respondents or field staff. The deployed view confirms that the form is active and ready to be accessed. From there, click on Sample Project again. In this context, you are selecting the deployed form view associated with that project. This helps bring you closer to the public or active form link, which is what you will use to create the QR code. Next, click on Open. This will launch the live version of the form in a new page or browser tab. Opening the form directly is useful because the QR code needs to be generated from the actual live form link, not just from the project dashboard. Give the page a second to fully load so you know you are working with the correct URL. Once the live form is open, right-click anywhere appropriate in the browser and select the option to generate a QR code. Depending on the browser you are using, the wording may vary slightly, but it will typically mention creating or generating a QR code for the current page. When you choose that option, the browser will create a QR code linked to the live KoboToolbox form. That's it. You have now generated a QR code for your KoboToolbox form. This can be especially helpful when you want users to quickly open the form on a mobile device without typing the full web address. Before sharing it widely, it is a good idea to scan the QR code yourself to confirm it opens the correct form. This quick check can help avoid confusion and make distribution much smoother.